Looking for the ultimate angle grinder that gets the job done? Whether you're a pro or a weekend warrior, we've lined up the top 5 best angle grinders on the market right now. From power to precision, we've got it all covered. Watch the entire list and you'll be able to decide which one suits you best. Let's dive in and find the perfect fit for your next project. Item number 5. Introducing the Milwaukee Brushless Angle Grinder, a high-performance tool built for renovation teams. Weighing just 1.6 kilograms, it features a powerful brushless motor, 3 adjustable gears, and a no-load speed of 8,500 RPM. Compatible with Milwaukee batteries, battery not included, this grinder supports 100mm and 125mm discs with a 14mm bore. CE certified and operating at 60 Hz, it's perfect for heavy-duty use with precision. Designed in mainland China, it offers customizable options with no hazardous chemicals involved. Item number 4. Introducing the Pato Pro Brushless Angle Grinder, a powerful cordless tool perfect for home DIY projects. It features a copper motor with variable speed from 5,000 to 9,000 RPM, adjustable via digital display. Weighing just 1.9 kilograms without the battery, it offers a comfortable grip with a dual-position handle. Compatible with 18-volt B-series lithium batteries, it includes a tool-free guard, cruise speed, and a 2-step start switch for safety. Certified by CE, RoHS, and KC, built for precision and performance. Item number 3. Meet the Makita DGA 404 Brushless Angle Grinder, designed for commercial manufacturing with powerful, overload-resistant copper wiring. It features 4 adjustable speeds up to 3,300 RPM, fits 125mm discs, and is compatible with Makita 18-volt batteries. With a thickened spark guard, M10, M14 press plate sizes, and a reinforced side handle, control is both safe and stable. The slim ergonomic design fits comfortably in your hand, making every cut or grind smoother, faster, and more precise, built for serious performance. Item number 2. Introducing the Allsome JM21125 Brushless Angle Grinder, a compact, high-performance tool built for home DIY tasks. Powered by an 18-volt brushless motor, it delivers variable speeds from 800 to 1900 RPM. Designed for durability, it features an all-metal housing, tool-free adjustable guard, and a 2-position side handle for better control. Weighing just 1.33 kilograms, it supports 125mm grinding discs and is compatible with Makita 18-volt batteries not included. A solid choice for precision, comfort, and long-lasting use. Item number 1. Introducing the KAOD Brushless Angle Grinder, a reliable tool built for home DIY projects. Powered by an 18-volt electric source, it delivers a variable no-load speed up to 8,000 RPM across 3 adjustable gears. With a 125mm grinding disc, M14 thread, and a brushless motor, it ensures smooth performance and long-term durability. Lightweight and efficient, it's perfect for users who need both power and precision. Designed in mainland China, this grinder is ready to handle your toughest tasks. Which of these angle grinder is your favorite? Don't forget to comment below and let us know. If you want to buy one, check the links in the description. Purchasing through them helps support our channel. And hey, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.